गोंयांतल्या कोविड दुयेंतींचो आंकडो आतां 330 पावला. सोमारा दीस आनीक 30 नवीन कोविड दुयेंती मेळ्ळ्यात. तातूंतले 28 जाण मांगूर हिल वास्कोचे आसात, जाल्यार 2 जाण गोंया भायल्यान गोंयांत आयिल्ल्या प्रवाशांचो आस्पाव आसा. सोमारा मेळिल्ल्या दुयेंतींचो आंकडो मेळून गोंयांत वट्ट 263 कोविड दुयेंतींचो कोविड इस्पितळांत उपचार चालू आशिल्ल्याची म्हायती भलायकी खात्याची सचीव नीला मोहननान दिल्या.
Today we have 30 new cases, 28 linked to Mangur Hills, one passenger who arrived by train from Gujarat and one passenger who came by road from Maharashtra. We have 2 patients who have been cured and they have been discharged from ESI hospital, COVID hospital. That brings our active cases to 263. Today 1,716 samples have been sent for testing. The tests done are 2,056 and reports awaited are 961. 5 persons are in hospital isolation. So yesterday itself our team is very much there and they have been trained by Dr. Aira, who is the medical superintendent of Hospicio, as well as one of the very important members of our team of doctors looking after the COVID hospital. So she has gone personally twice yesterday. She has oriented the staff. She has told them about how they must take care of our positive persons who are there in the COVID care center. Yesterday we shifted 8 of the persons and today we have shifted further 5. So as of now we have 13. We have 13 persons in the COVID care center at Shirod. We had initially about 8 health workers. Furthermore, 5 more health workers have been confirmed to be positive. So that number has come up to 13. 13, 1 3. 8 plus 5, 13.